Traditional topwater popper with wide cupped mouth. Internal 3D prism finish. Saltwater grade hooks and split rings. The 3D Inshore popper is a traditional topwater popper with a wide cupped mouth for big splash and water displacement. The internal 3D prism finish is designed to last even after encountering many toothy predators. Made with saltwater grade hooks and split rings, this bait will withstand harsh fishing conditions. Top reviews from the United States. Engulfed by a sea monster and gone. Was throwing this thing around the house we were vacationing in on Perdido Bay right before dark. Saw a giant swell under it and it was engulfed and headed out to deeper water. No chance on stopping that beast with 10 pounds braid, so line snapped, lure and fish was gone. Changed to 20-pound Sufix line and tied another on the next morning, and it's very effective on speckled trout. Strike blowups with these are heart-stopping lol.